Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through a simple and straightforward guide on how to transfer Ton from OKX to Tonkeeper. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. First, open your Tonkeeper app. Once it's loaded, select Toncoin and click Receive. Here, you'll see your wallet address. Go ahead and copy it to your clipboard by clicking the copy icon. Now, let's switch over to the OKX app. On the bottom right menu, tap Assets, and then select Withdraw. In the Withdrawal section, type Toncoin into the search bar or simply select it from the list. Once you've chosen Toncoin, click on Exchanges or Wallets and paste the wallet address you copied from your Tonkeeper. Next, make sure to select the Ton network. Don't worry about adding a comment because your Tonkeeper wallet doesn't require one for this transaction. Now, it's time to enter the amount of Toncoin you'd like to withdraw. Keep in mind that the minimum amount is 0.02 Ton. Also, choose the correct withdrawal account where your Ton balance is stored. This could be either your trading account or funding account. Make sure this detail is accurate. Once everything is set, review the details carefully. If everything looks good, click the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your Toncoin will be transferred to your Tonkeeper wallet in about 5 minutes. Finally, head back to your Tonkeeper app and refresh the page. You should see your updated Ton balance. And that's how you transfer Ton from OKX to Tonkeeper. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.